In today's conversation, I will be discussing the feature in Wamly called intro videos. So if you're a system administrator, on the left-hand side, you will have a button called intro videos. Now, let's start by understanding why the feature exists and then how to best use it. And I will use 3 use cases to explain the different applications of intro videos. One of the very first questions that we get as Wamly when we are in the sales cycle from the client is, Fran, Wamly could potentially be quite impersonal, meaning that the technology is facilitating the interview with the candidate. There's no real interaction two-way, and we completely get that. I want to say off the bat that we are not against interaction. We are not against face-to-face interviews or face-to-face engagements. They are very important. But as a business, what we're saying is that earlier in your process, in your hiring process, that is where we have the most efficiency. And so from Wamly, our clients will decide who are the top candidates to interview in a face-to-face environment. However, we then introduced the feature called intro videos to create a more personal experience for the candidate. So what is it? The intro video is a section in Wamly where you are able to upload videos that you recorded and then link a video to a project when setting up a project. And this becomes the first thing the candidate watches before they go on their journey answering the form field questions as well as the interview guide questions. So it is a personal touch where you are able to control the information that you are sharing with the candidates while they are doing the Wamly journey. So 3 ways clients are currently using the intro video. Some of our clients have a high-level video that they shoot of the CEO or the MD or someone very senior in the business sharing more about the company, why the company exists, what the value proposition of the company is, what industry they're in, what it is like to work there, and why they should join. And then they only have this one video, and in every single vacancy that gets set up, this intro video gets picked to give a candidate an overview and also this experience of listening to the CEO, welcoming them to their Wamly journey, their interview, which is really cool. The second way intro videos are being used is where some of our clients are recording the hiring manager for that specific vacancy. And this hiring manager is sharing with the candidate what it is like to work in this specific role, what it is like reporting to him or her, what they can expect when they join the organization if they are successful. And then the last example or use case that we are seeing from intro video perspective is where HR and the marketing department is building an EVP, an employee value proposition video, where they are sharing more about the company culture, the brand, the benefits, what they can expect from a career growth opportunity perspective, what it is like working there, the ins and outs in the day-to-day of the organization. And if you want, you can combine all 3 of those elements into an intro video and really give a nice overview to your candidates around joining the organization, what they'll be doing, and how they can grow in the business. If you would like to understand from a technical perspective how to set up an intro video, please refer to that in our training video section. But ultimately, it's extremely easy. You would record the video outside of Wamly. You would then save it on your desktop in an MP4 format. You would navigate to this section. You would click on Add New. You would go and browse and find it, give it a title, as well as type up a message for your candidates. This will then form part of what we call the intro video library. And every time you then set up a project, in project settings, there will be a drop down of all your intro video titles, and you can then simply pick the title that suits you and the video that you want to link to that project. As always, if you would like to know more, please contact us. I hope this feature excites you. I hope this gives you insight into how you can use intro videos. A lot of our clients actually overlook this, and I think it's a very powerful feature in Wamly to create just a personal experience and share why you would like the candidate to join you. Because the reality is, it is a war out there, and you might be going together with your competition for the same candidate. So if you can use Wamly and our intro video section, that might just give you the edge. Thanks for listening.